Magic Fam, and welcome to Bashari Magic, where we try to sprinkle a little extra magic into your day by sharing videos with you from our favorite place in the world, Walt Disney World. I am a mama fix, but today I have my two youngest with me. Now their favorite movie is Lion King, and so what better place to explore than Disney's Animal Kingdom? So we're in for one wild adventure today. Let's go ahead and get started. First stop, Joffrey's to get donuts. See the baby ducks? What'd you say? Island Mercantile. See if we can find any. Matata. Are you Scar? The smallest size they have, and this is a 2. Yeah, he has wings. Water with them.
Hey guys.
Say hi.
How y'all doing? Where are you going? Safari? Hey, when I say jumbo jumbo, you say yeah.
Last time we came, that was open, and we had to go all the way around, down and around to get back on this side. Keep your stroller up until a certain point, and I love that. I love that for us.
That Shrek pattern to help blend into their surroundings. Get their name from the pink color that appears on their skin during mating season.
Yeah, right there.
That's
Hippo.
to the skin. They can actually get sunburned. They'll hold the breath for several minutes. Four toes on each paw. That group is called a pack. They are led by a dominant male and a dominant female. And that dominant male and female.
It's a giraffe.
Hartman's mountain zebra in the distance there on the right as well. Hartman's mountain zebra have what's called a dewlap. Extra fun there as well.
See the baby? That one? Yeah, that one.
Holding for giraffe by giraffe horns.
And there's a giraffe right there.
I was holding briefly for
He got poop?
Alright, Chris, that's that nose giraffe.
Look at it.
Let us cross here. Turning for their broad square mouth. And turning a group of rhino is called a crab.
All of them are out
They're hunting
there.
primarily at night.
Heading to Gorilla Falls. You found one? Which one did you see? What's that? A Tavita Golden Weaver? Look Look, something's on the roof. Over there. You did? Oh, I see it. You hear it? Oh, look up there. Look, Hari.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
As we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King, let the procession begin! Hiya, folks! How you doing?
You'll get your time in the spotlight.
The lights are not all unfair. And it sees me through.
Hari, did you like the show? Missouri sweet shop to see if we can find any sweet treats in here. And then if you come to the back of Harambe's market, they have a bar back here, which I just found out about. And I'm gonna show y'all the drinks back here. And you can get them with or without alcohol. The Harambe Sunrise, Pachawa Mahi, and the African Wildflower. And I think that's the one I want because it has the pear in it. Lunchtime, and we're right by the train. You gonna see the train? It is, it's coming from that way. Look! You want to get on the train? That way, say hi! Is it good? Are you gonna say something for Azari? Are you gonna say something for Azari? Okay. I got this beef and lamb pita with the house-made chips, and then I told you the pear lemonade. Forgot what they were calling it. Without the alcohol, because look at that. Hari's coming for me. Is it good? You eat it. You asked for it. see it.
Weeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals from...
Say cheese. Say hi. Go say hi.
You want to give him a hug? You want to give him a laugh for Simone, right?
Here, turn around so I can take your picture.
Guess they're too excited for Simone.
You was just watching The Lion King.
Really? Which one? First or
The
second?
first one.
You gotta check out the second one. That's
Yes.
going way back. Way back. Check that out. It's all about Simone and it's all about Simone.
Yes. Say thank you. You gonna say bye-bye? And right across from the petting zoo, they have these little tables. Say hi, Kevin.
Oh, she's coming to say hi to you. You know where we could get a nest like that? We need one for her babies.
Oh, I don't know.
Ooh, we gotta go find one. Maybe.
Spotted a rare character, and look who fell asleep right after I bought the ice cream. So that is it for today, friends. The boys are out of it, and we are ready to go ahead and end our day. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget that the magic is just a wish away.